Good morning, everyone. I wanted to take a quick minute here and walk you through our new learning modules for online learning. It's really easy. You start by going to lcsd.org. You can see I did that up here in the upper left corner. Once you're on the LCSD homepage, you'll look for the Class Link tab located here. Go ahead and click that. And once you click on that, it will take you to all of the apps that ClassLink has under it. We're going to look for the Canvas one, located right here. Go ahead and click on that. ClassLink will automatically sign you in. And up will pop our dashboard for ClassLink. Your dashboard contains all the courses you have for your individual student. You should see language arts, reading, math, science, social studies, all of them. Now remember, we're operating under the reading grade 5-1 and the math grade 5-1. In reading, it will have reading, writing, and word study for the week. Under the math grade 5 course, you'll have math, science, and social studies. We do that to try to help consolidate things a little easier for you so you're not having to click in as many different places. Alright, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and click on Reading Grade 5 because as your reading teacher that's what I have access to. And up will pop the Reading Grade 5 course. Now, right now, obviously I'm logged in as a teacher, so my view is a little bit different than yours. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on Student View. Student View is going to allow me to see things from the same view you'll see. So here's what you'll see when you log into Reading Grade 5. We're going to come over here, click on Modules. Modules are where all of our online learning is happening. And the learning module for this week will pop up. Remote Learning, Week 4, April 13th through 17th. That's this week. And under the learning modules, you'll see lots of different tabs, lots of pages, assignment turn-ins. And if you scroll down, it can look a little overwhelming at first. But don't fret. We're going to break it down here and make it as easy as possible for y'all. First, you'll notice there are tabs for each individual day. Monday, Tuesday, scroll down. There's Wednesday. Here's Thursday. And last but not least, we have Friday. Easy, right? Now if we break it down that way, all of this seems a little less intimidating. We see Monday, there's no school, there's nothing listed under the Monday tab, you don't have anything to do. Moving on to Tuesday, you'll see Tuesday has reading, writing, and word study listed underneath. Wednesday is another day, don't worry about that right now, just focus on what you have to do for Tuesday. Now, under reading, writing, and word study, you'll see learning opportunities for each of those. Before we dive into those, I want to go quickly, backtrack a little, show you the top of the learning module. At the top of your learning module, before you dive into the days of the week, each teacher will post the weekly learning plan and a message from your teacher. If you click on Weekly Learning Plan, you will see this. Click here, and up will pop the learning plan for the week. If you move horizontally across the page, you'll see the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Simple. If you move vertically up and down the page, you'll see the individual subjects for that day. Reading, writing, word study. We'll scroll down a little. Math, science, and of course, social studies. Something important you might want to look at, take notice of, we have our assignments for the week that are highlighted. These assignments will not be due until Sunday night. We recognize that a lot of you are sharing devices and have very mixed up and ever-evolving schedules, so we're not making things due on Friday. We want to give you as much time as possible. So we highlighted the assignment and then noted that it is not due till Sunday night, April 19th. Easy. Let's go ahead and move back to our learning module. Teacher message. This week, what I'm going to post for my kids is just the message you're currently watching right now. Let's go back to Tuesday. Reading. It's very simple. You can walk through each step. We begin in reading by exploring learning. We're going to dive into informational text. You're going to be exposed to what that is and what that looks like. Come down here to next, and it will move you down through the learning module. So instead of having to go back and forth, you can just click next, and it takes you through each part. Practice learning. You're going to get a chance after you learn about informational writing, you're going to get a chance to put that into practice. You click next and it'll take you to writing. Writing, we are also in informational text, so we're going to learn how to write informational papers. Click next. You'll be given a chance to practice informational writing. Click next. And then you will move to exploring learning for your vocabulary. You'll click here. Your PowerPoint for the week that introduces the words, gives you definitions, examples in a sentence, synonyms, antonyms, all that good stuff that you're already used to will be in there. And if I click next, I'll be back to reading because it has moved on to Wednesday. We don't want to go on to Wednesday. All you need to focus on is Tuesday's activities. Hope that helped all of you a little bit. If you have any questions, reach out to any of us teachers. We'll be more than happy to walk you through it. And good luck to all of you this week. We love you. We miss you. Hope to see you all very soon.